Sanitary Food Transport Ambient Cooling Elevator Spiral by Multi-Conveyor. Multi-Conveyor recently built a series of powered plastic belt conveyors to assist in the glazing application and hardening stages of a bakery product. Initial conveyors accept randomly placed unpackaged baked product from the customer's existing wire belt conveyor through nearly 73 feet of a liquid glazing stage. Glazed product then end transfers onto a sanitary 16-foot high stainless steel spiral conveyor that runs at a predetermined pace needed to complete the glaze hardening process. Friction reducing 20-inch wide by 350 feet long of Intralox S2700 side drive V2 belting with reinforcement rounds and drive teeth on the outside edge was key for consistent 180-degree curve throughout. This belt choice is designed for side-driven applications with a minimum turn radius of 2 times the belt width. Teeth along the belt edge drive the belt and allow for longer conveyor belting without transfer points. Multi-Conveyor builds job-specific, designed-to-order, belt-driven or drum spiral continuous belt accumulation spirals by request. We construct spirals based on optimal footprint and precise timing needed for product cooling or, perhaps, extra accumulation to allow for upstream equipment processes without losing critical production time. The independently placed product exits the spiral by end transferring onto an existing customer overhead conveyor, not shown. Transfer of product to existing conveyor will be done using a pivotal decline, shown here, to raise product to the next phase of the line. At the time of this video, Multi-Conveyor was still in the process of completing the special side guarding along the outer parameter of the entire spiral system to avoid belting pinch points, enhancing operator safety. This entire hygienic food transport conveyor system was made of stainless steel, wash-down construction, including motors and wash-down gear reducers. Sanitary slotted clean-out holes are staggered inside frames. Continuous welds, bolted standoffs for flange bearings and floor supports, bolted frame spacers, and bolted wear strips. See even more spiral accumulation solutions by visiting our website at www.multi-conveyor.com. Then call us at 1-800-236-7960. Let's get started on your new conveyor. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best conveyed better.